Hi guys, today I will try a new recipe which is light and no need for frying in the oil. It will be a new try for me too. I will give my honest opinion about the taste at the end. Let's see how it goes. First we need a small cauliflower. Separate it to small flowers, then wash and dry well. Leave the cauliflowers in the boiling water for maximum 10 minutes. Because we do not want them to be cooked too much. If we cook too much, then the flowers will start crumbling. Second, we need to prepare the breading. Let's mix 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of yogurt together. You can make it 3 if you want. Mix them well. Then we are adding 1 tablespoon of breadcrumbs, corn flour, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, sweet red pepper, and salt. Half a teaspoon of cumin, half tea glass of olive oil. We have to mix all very well. The mixture should be very smooth. Mix everything until it becomes creamy. Now we will take each flour and dip it to breading, then line them on the pan. Do not line each flour too close to each other. Once finished, send the pan to 180 degrees Celsius oven for around 20-30 minutes. Always check the food. Once they are golden brown, then take it out. You can serve cauliflowers with the yogurt dip. However, I decided a dip mixed with yogurt, garlic, red hot pepper, salt and mint. Let's see how it tastes. It's really nice guys, and especially try this recipe with this dip. It's really good. Bon appetit!